Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPad is updated and has enough free space. This avoids slow saves. Once done, open Numbers and tap the plus icon to create a new spreadsheet. You can pick a template for invoices or budgets, or choose blank if you want full control. Make sure to name the document now so it autosaves under a clear title. This small step prevents confusion later when you access iCloud or share the file with collaborators. You enter data by tapping any cell and typing. Use the return key to move downward naturally. Once data is in, select cells and use the format sidebar to set number, currency, percentage, date, or text so calculations behave correctly. You can drag the fill handle to copy sequences, or tap the formula button to insert SUM, average, if, and more. As you format, adjust alignment and number of decimal places, so columns are readable and calculations remain precise. You finalize by double-checking formulas and locking header rows so sorting won't break the layout, then preview print or export as XLSX or PDF. When sharing, send an iCloud link for collaborative edits or export a copy for recipients who need Excel. If numbers look wrong, first verify cell formatting. Text in a number cell breaks calculations. Make sure there are no leading spaces or invisible characters. Convert text to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.